Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna look at how we can prepare a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So what we're gonna do is something like this, and let's jump into it without wasting any more time. What we have here is the tasks, the start date, end date, and the date when we want to start. The first thing I'm gonna do is to put some dates here. So I'm going to say, I want to link my date to this start date here. Then the next one, I increase these dates by 1 plus 1. Then I drag it across like so. That's the first step I'm gonna do. But now I also want to show only the dates 4, 5, 6, first, second, third, like so. So to do that, I need to format this date to show only the date. And I need to go to format, number format, date. I need to specify this formatting. You can delete whatever is there and remain with the date. See, when I click here, you see you can delete. In your case, you may be having a number of them, but I want this formatting. Then I say apply, and then you see that you'll get numbers 1 to 28. Then next year, I want the days of the week. And to do that, I'm going to use the text function. I take the date, then I give it the format I want, DDD, which stands for date, and I get a Saturday like so. If I expand this, you can see that it is a Saturday, but I want only the first letter. So I'll use the left, then take the first, like so. Then all I need to do is to copy this across, highlight, Control R, and then you have the days. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, I change my start date changes. For example, if I say, let's start from 6, there you go, this changes and this changes. So as long as you put in a start date, all the rest will change, which is quite good. Let me go back to my 1st of April 2023. Now, to make my chart look better, I can remove the grids. Next, I need to put here a formula. I'm going to use conditional formatting so that it displays the correct formats where the start date and fall date fall within these ranges. So to do that, I'm going to use the AND function, and I'm going to say if this value here is greater or equal to this value, comma, and also if the same value here is less or equal to the end date here. Now you'll observe that the value under C6, the column, the row number is not going to change because that's to run across this row. So wherever I have 5, I need to fix the row. And then these columns are also not changing. Column B and column C need to be fixed. So C and this column B need to be fixed. Enter. So now you see it is true because the start date was that. Now I'm going to use this in my conditional formatting. So let me cut that. Then I highlight those I need to format. I go under format, conditional formatting. I'm going to add a rule to these cells. I'm going to use a custom formula. Custom formula. I paste the formula that I've copied, and then I give it a beautiful color that I want. Do like so. So you'll observe that now my Gantt chart will be displayed like so. So all I need to do, if my start date changes, I need to come here and say maybe 10. Then this changes to 10, and my graph moves away from 4 first up to 10 here. That's where it starts, like so. So this is how you can prepare a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. I hope this has been helpful. Give me your comments and see you in the next video.